Hello friends, this is Seagull newly released watch, model number 1131. It's using Seagull ST2108 movement. It's a moon phase watch. There's a small moon phase window here. The circle pattern for the moon phase is 30 days. You can see the dates indicator here. Okay, you can adjust the moon phase by pressing the side button here. Use a small pin. There is a very beautiful grid pattern on the dial. Diameter for this watch is around 41 mm. And the back side is see-through pattern design. The window of the watch is a little curved. It's not flat. It's a very beautiful watch. Thank you.